right, St. Just? Are you right, St. Just? Up to nine Lanast, Perlo and Bose, Upmer, in and Drave and Moyer, who's with us in Britain. Here we are. In St. Just, the westerlymost town on the British mainland. And good, isn't it? Eh? Proper drop, St. Just sunshine. We love it. Here, do we know this one? Happy birthday to us. Pindroth Low and the Nye. Happy birthday, dear Cornwall and West Devon Mining Landscape World Heritage Site. Happy birthday to one and all of us. Yes, my lovelies, 'tis 10 years ago that they clever and wise folk over to UNESCO recognised that the Cornish mining industry changed the world forever. And that is why every one of our stacks and ginges, every one of our engine houses and rope walks and viaducts, why every patch of ore dump, and most importantly, the stopes, adits, tunnels, shafts under our feet are all protected at the same status as the Great Wall of China, the pyramids, or the Taj Mahal. Yay! Proper job too. So, here we are, not far away from Levant, and many people associate the words man engine with that terrible day in 1919 when 31 men lost their lives. We had to think long and hard as to whether we should use the words man engine for our little boy, but we do it with respect because we think the man engine is an invention that lifted men up and down the shaft and saved them from the terrible toil of 2 hours or more climbing wooden ladders. That was a piece of engineering, ingenuity, enterprise, endeavour, and sheer cussed Cornish stubbornness to get the job done. So, to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the UNESCO World Heritage Site designation, rather than go for the more conventional bake a birthday cake sort of option, we decided we would build the largest mechanical puppet ever made in Britain. And as you know, we've been on some fortnight journey since we set out from up Englandshire 2 weeks ago. And it's been extraordinary, but the most powerful thing for me has been that people have been getting what it's about. Rather than it just being a big thing that's a bit exciting and a bit of froth, people understand we're serious about our Cornish mining heritage. So, St. Just, let's meet the boy. Let's reveal the man engine. Here, Matt, bit of camera in as we reveal him. Right on. The man engine! From the very beginning of this project, we were very keen not to paint a rosy tinted glow of a picture around the Cornish mining industry. And we know that mining is gritty and grim, dark, dirty and dangerous. Yesterday a lady came up to me and wanted to tell me, as many other people have done, about her family story. Her grandmother lost her husband, her son and her nephew at Wheel Olds. We often hear of the 19 men and one boy who died that day, and that was her uncle, that boy, his first day underground. So, a moment's silence everyone please, not just for the men who died at the Vant, not just for the men who died at Wheel Olds, but for the many thousands of people who have lost their lives through Cornish mining.
Sing, sing from the chamber to the grave. I hear the dying miners say a sound of melody I crave upon my burial day.
But it is not just about looking back and being nostalgic. We know the sheave wheels are no longer turning, the stamps and the pumps are done, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. And we believe if we dig deep and really come to know our heritage, then we get to understand our present. And if we understand our present, we can choose to create our future.
Sing from the chamber to the grave. I hear the dying miners say a sound of melody I crave upon my burial day. And sing me sweetly as you travel on, and keep the funeral song. The angels sing and bear me gently to the grave. And as you pass along, remember 'twas my wish to have a pleasant funeral song.
We are not there yet, my lovelies. If we are going to reach our full potential, we're going to have to work together. We're going to need to tickle him up in his native tongue. For 4,000 years, Cornish mining was conducted through Kernowick. It's in your little black books. I'm going to say copper, silver, and you're going to say 10, 10, 10. And the Cornish word for tin is... Sten, say it 3 times. Sten. Forward. Aaron. I'm going to say in every rock, you're going to say in every stone. Input Carrick.
Input man.
What is it?
Input man.
Forward. Aaron. Input Carrick.
Input man.
Forward. Aaron.
Stand.
Where to get the best tin and Gwella Sten? Oh! From the top. Forward. Aaron. Input Carrick. Cover. Aaron. And Gwella Sten. So now we'll go. Come on. Cover. Aaron. Input Carrick. Cover. Aaron. And Gwella Sten. Internal. Come on. Cover. Aaron.